FAB Dynamic. 5 standard pins and 8 bar wafers in an annoyingly tight keyway. Fifteen thousandths. This it's almost too thick. Okay. Such violent opens. The top stack is fairly easy, and then the main difficulty with the bar wafers is just the fact that there's practically no room in between them. Don't know if I can show that all that well. Yeah, you can kind of tell. It may look like you have quite some room, but you really don't. Which makes it a bit of an annoying pick. I took one half out already so that I don't have to use a top loader on this side, because it's kind of cursed because it relocks at 180. Which means you have to gut like this and be very careful to not disturb any of the wafers, otherwise you get to pick it while you have to keep the shoe in. And try to not shoot any drivers out. Okay. Right. I shouldn't need to shim. But if you get your hands on one of these, do shim. Do as I say, not as I do. I'm a trained professional. Yeah, right. Okay, now, because there's no warding, well, no meaningful warding, I gotta keep the key in pretty tightly, otherwise I am gonna be dropping the wafers all over, and yeah, not a good time. Come on. There you go. And the last one. And yeah, as you can see, I can lift the key up, so let's not do that. Okay, which side are we starting with first? Okay, so that would be the right side. Okay, so we'll put the right sides right there. Oh, there's some number stamped on them. Interesting. And now the left side. Ooh. Well, looking at the number stamped on the wafers, there's probably at least 3 heights. I think 4. But you never know. Oh, right, this is one of these where the chamber is wider than the keyway, so then it just sits right there. Huh. I put some tape over here because these plates were starting to let loose. Yeah, who thought glue wouldn't be a smart thing to use in a lock? Or at least I assume they're glued in, because press fit isn't really the way. But I also don't know how I would drill these holes. Oh no, I was about to say I don't know how I would drill these holes without having some problem when needing to cover them up again. But one of the Lucenics, I believe the E8, does it pretty well and is in the same sort of proximity as this on to the key pins, to the chambers. I mean, yeah. Oh, come on, focus. You can see the holes well enough. Okay.